What's up, you kooks? Welcome to Cycle Trash Garage. I am your host, Martin Lopez, and you're watching Cycle Trash TV, the show where I teach you how to fuck up your bike one step at a time. Today is not so much of an instructional video as it is more of me just kind of getting something done that I've been trying to get done for a while. I already did it and I prematurely started filming and getting this thing done before I was able to film the intro, but for the most part, this tank, someone had cut a big circle out prior to me getting it where the bung went for the fill cap. They were gonna put somewhere, and I think they just, it was too much for them to handle. I don't know what happened. I think they just couldn't get it done. So they put it up for sale. I picked it up for cheap, and I was able to go ahead and fill it in. And basically, this video is me just doing the plenishing part on that. I'm not really doing too much explaining on how to do any of it. It's kind of just me doing it. There's some bits and pieces of me explaining, but for the most part, it's just me trying to put a video up because I haven't put anything up in a while. I will be putting up more video on this tank because I'm gonna add some more to it. This is gonna be on a Ironhead Sportster build that I'm doing, that I've been working on for a while, but the shop's been a little busy, so I haven't had the time to get it going. As you can see, I'm out of my small little one-car garage and I'm inside an actual shop now. I'll eventually do a video walk around of the shop itself. Been busy moving into here, been busy working, been busy doing family stuff and dealing with the girlfriend and whatnot. So, but from here on out, I'm gonna try to do at least one video a week, if not every other week. And in between, I'll probably just do me doing random stuff around the shop. But as far as instructional videos go, I got some good stuff for you guys. I got how to take an old fender and turn it into a passenger seat. I got how to do air filters. I got how to do sissy bars. I got how to mount fenders, so on and so forth. You guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. If you got a friend that can benefit from this, or you just want to show it off to your homies, go ahead and hit the share button. I'll talk to you guys later. Go fuck yourselves. Gotta round it out. Let's planish the shit out of it. I don't have a panel beater or one of those sandbags or nothing, so I'm just using a bunch of dirty little rags. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to match this side so I can cover that up, and you know, all I gotta do is keep stretching this until it matches that roundness. I don't have a gauge check thing, so I'm just gonna kind of go for it. Don't give up a... bumpy it is as opposed to how smooth it gets after being punished. You can already see it starting to dome. About good enough for me. Gonna clean off the edges of this so it fits a little better. Then I'm gonna weld it in.